Hey guys, just doing a video today on Walmart skyrocketing today at one point even over 10%, and that's huge for a big cap stock like this. Um, so this is actually a company that I've always believed in and I actually held up until this a recent point here. One of the big reasons that it rose is that it had a beat. I believe its earnings per share were about $1 versus the estimates of 97 cents. Revenue rose to 123.2 billion, and this is the biggest part right here. E-commerce sales were up 50%, um, and I see that that's one of the most significant factors here. When we think about e-commerce, we always think about Amazon. It says here amid tough competition with Amazon, um, but people tend to underestimate Walmart, in my opinion. They underestimate the ability that they have to get into the space, the amount of cash they have. I mean, they're generating, as far as I'm aware, I think the most profitable company in the United States, whereas Amazon is only pulling in profit-wise about 200 some $1 million, whereas Walmart's in the billions. So people really underestimate Walmart and what Walmart can do. And we're seeing Walmart push into this space and a little bit of a pushback against Amazon and be successful. And this is something that I actually saw. Um, this article here talks about that they had, I think, 8 years of consecutive growth or something like that, which is definitely very important. But another aspect to this I see is with grocery. You've seen Amazon go into the groceries as well. And here we've seen revenue climb to 123.2 billion. That's huge too, right? And this is something that's been relatively recent for Walmart is getting into the grocery. We've seen Amazon do this as well, but Walmart's starting to be very successful at this as well. Um, so I mean, I'm doing a little bit of a relative evaluation between these companies. There's not, they're not identical, but my point is, when we look at Walmart, and if you look through its financials, and you even just look at something as simple as its PE, even today, it's still trading a price earnings of 23 with a nice little dividend. And I'm not too sure, I haven't actually looked through their financials that have come out here yet today, but this will probably be going up too. So again, it's always something that I talk about risk versus reward. Um, Walmart has a bright future. Walmart's not going anywhere. And actually, personally, I invested way down here when there was all this concern about Amazon and whatnot. And I looked at this in the same manner as I'm looking at it now. And I said to myself, this is a great risk reward ratio. So, like I said, you're looking at Amazon, it's trading at 286 times earnings. And in my opinion, using them both, I don't find a lot of value ordering from Amazon unless it's things that I just can't get. I've also started shopping on Walmart more for my food, and I've dealt with Walmart online, and I find that their shipping and whatnot is just as fast as Amazon. And of course, like I said, Amazon's in different segments as well, but I think a lot of investors are looking at these two companies and doing a bit of a relative evaluation in determining the valuations of both. So that's something that I think we should consider. Um, but I'd love to know your guys' thoughts on this. Like, what do you think the future is at Walmart? Why do you think Amazon has such more of a brighter future than Walmart? And do you think Walmart should fall from here? Do you think it's fair to give it a multiple of 23? Or should it be higher? Should it be lower? Very curious to know what you guys think. Anyway, have a great day, guys, and I will talk to you later.